Yo, what is going on, my YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, and today I have a simple question for you, and that is, do you want to start making money online? Recently, I launched a poll that I asked a bunch of people how much money they've made online, you guys, and I got 100% feedback that 100% of you said that you had not made any money online, and today we're going to change that because you can make $2 just for signing up, and you can make $500 plus with this one simple technique. And best of all, you guys, this is worldwide and it can be done completely on a smartphone. Now, if you have more devices such as a desktop, laptop, tablet, any of those devices, you guys, you can make even more money with this same platform. This is very simple to do. It requires no special skills. So stick with me through this entire video because I'm gonna share with you exactly what you need to do to maximize your potential earnings with this one simple website, you guys. You are absolutely going to love this. Let's jump into it. Whoa, hold up real quickly. If you are brand new to this channel or if you've been here before, the first thing that you're going to want to make sure that you do is make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you click this bright red subscribe box, you guys. Click that bell notification, select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you tons of fabulous new methods of how you can start generating an income online for yourself, you guys. Tons of great methods here. Come here, check this out. Also, if you are anything like me and you are an entrepreneur at heart and you want life-changing results, you guys, I'm talking about a life of freedom. I'm talking about quitting your 9-to-5, firing your boss, and doing what is really important to you in life and just living out your dreams. If you want a life like that and that sounds appealing to you, then get started today. Do not delay, you guys. I spent 15 years bouncing around on the internet trying different businesses, you guys, and I met failure so many times, and I've left my #1 recommendation down in the description of this video. You can click on that. You can also click up here where it says learn how to make money online, you guys. Like I said, I searched around for so long. Do not do what I did. This is a step-by-step process where professionals will hold you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to be doing to make money online. And I'm talking about a lot of money, you guys. You will have to work, you will have to put in the effort, but this is possible and you can do it. So let's not waste any of your time and let's jump straight into this video. Alrighty, my friends, are you ready to start making some money right now, today, with just your cell phone? Well, then stick with me through this entire video. I have some tips and tricks of how you can maximize your earning potential on this single platform. Where we're at right now is perfection.com, you guys. And like I said, all you need is a cell phone to get started doing this. If you have a desktop, laptop, or tablet, that's great. You can use those too, and you can make even more money with perfection.com. So basically, what is happening on this website, you guys, is you are testing websites and applications. And it's very, very simple, no special skills required, and worldwide. So you're probably wondering, what do you mean by testing websites and applications, and why would I get paid to even do that? Well, check this out, you guys. Very big, well-known brands, you guys, I'm talking about, such as like Airbus, L'Oreal, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Nikes, Adidas, all kinds of big brands, you guys, that have websites. And when you visit those websites, it's very, very important that you stay on those websites, that you like the feel of those websites, and that you spend money on those websites so that their conversions actually go up and they make the most money possible. So what they do is they come to Perfection right here, and Perfection crowdsources a bunch of people like me and you to visit their website, simply look at it and provide feedback of the look, the feel, what doesn't make sense, what's confusing, and you type out a few simple sentences, you take a screenshot, and you send that back to Perfection, you guys. There's about 4 steps for every single website that you visit, and they'll ask you specific questions about those websites. You're gonna look at them, simply provide your opinion, and they're going to pay you for that. Now, the more time that you actually spend on it, you don't wanna spend too much time, but you wanna spend enough time to put some real thoughtful feedback on there, because the more thoughtfulness that you actually put into that, the more your rank is actually going to go up, the more jobs that you're actually going to get, and the more money that you're actually going to get paid. So they have some instructions. You need to make sure that you pay close attention to those instructions, you guys. I've tested this out. I've made money with Perfection. It's very, very simple to do. No special skills required. So here is how we're going to get started. the first thing that you want to do when you get here at Perfection.com, and by the way, I'm going to leave a link down in the description that will take you right to this homepage right here. But once you arrive here, the first thing that you're going to want to do is come up to here where it says Testers Area. This page that we're on right now is for companies, people that have businesses and stuff and have a website or an application. If they want to get it tested, they visit right here, and this is how they get signed up so that they recruit people like me and you to actually come visit those. So when we arrive here, you're gonna click on Testers Area right up here in the corner. Sometimes it says Become a Tester too. You'll click on that, and then it's gonna bring you right over to this page right here. And what you're gonna notice first is it says Work Online. Give your opinion on mobile sites and applications. So I don't know about you, but honestly, I like downloading different applications already myself. Anyways, testing them out, playing with them, and it gives a new look and feel to my phone, and it's just something that I like to do. So if you're like that, this is great because you can actually get paid to do this. So what's cool too, honestly, is that you can actually get paid to actually shape and change the way these big companies are doing business, and help mold it to be more successful and more likable to you. So the first thing when you arrive here, just like I said, you guys, brands listen, your opinion counts. So you're giving your opinion to big brands, and then you're gonna be increasing your skills, improve your writing efficiency, sense of observation, because you're gonna be looking at these websites, the different fields, just like I said, and then you can improve your writing proficiency. If you're worried about the way that you write, don't worry, because I'm gonna give you a nice little hack that will actually do all of the grammar for you. I'm also going to even teach you exactly how you can do this without ever really typing anything with your hands. You can speak and get your grammar corrected. I'm gonna show you this, and I'm gonna give you a little hack of how you can do that. So stick with me through this entire video. And then last but not least, you guys, these guys pay in PayPal every single month. They'll pay out in PayPal. I believe that they also do bank transfers as well when I was looking at this. So you wanna make sure that you have a valid PayPal account established. So once you arrive here, you can see what they say. You can come down here, you can check out some of the people that have been using this and some of the nice comments that they've made on here. I'll just read one real quickly here. It says, earning money is nice, but it goes beyond that. I was able to improve my writing proficiency and discover new sites and applications. It has a little breakdown right here as to how it works. And it's basically just like what I've been explaining to you guys. It says explore sites and applications and use your smartphone or tablet or desktop or laptop as well, you guys. All those devices, you want to make sure that these guys know that you have all those devices, because you will get even more jobs and make even more money. But like I said, all you need is a cell phone. That's awesome. So like I said, you're going to be visiting these websites and you're going to send positive or negative feedback. You're going to take a simple screenshot. If you know how to take a screenshot of your desktop computer, screenshot of your phone as well, and attach that as well, and do this all on your cell phone. You guys, it does not get any easier than that. And then once they are reviewed, this is why you want to put in some real thoughtful feedback, because there's someone that actually has to approve the feedback that you're giving. These guys are moderators, so they're going to look at the answers that you actually give, and they're going to approve it, and then you're going to get paid. So you don't just want to put in there a bunch of gibberish. You want to make sure that you actually put in a little bit of thought. And the more thoughtful answers that you give, the more money that you're going to make, and the more jobs that they're going to send you. That is extremely important. And they give a little example here as to what is feedback. And a feedback is a screenshot with an accompanying clear description. You can report positive or negative elements. And then here's an example right here. They're visiting a website right here, and they said, I would have liked the connection button to be more prominent. I couldn't find it. Right? So they're going to tell you specific things to find on the web page. If you can't find it or it doesn't make any sense, you're simply going to tell them that, and this is how you get paid. It's very simple. Alrighty, are you ready to start making some money yet? Here is how you get started, you guys. All I did was jump back up to the top of this web page right here. You're going to click right here on this bright blue box where it says Start Earning Money. You're going to click that. It's going to bring you over to their sign up page right here. You're going to give your email. You're going to create a password. You need at least 6 characters. And you can also sign in with your Facebook account right here if you'd like to do that as well. As soon as you hit that sign up button, make sure that you're paying attention to this, because you need to make sure that you pay close attention to their sign up process, because they're going to run you through a tutorial. At first, they're going to ask you, if you're male or female. They're going to ask you what country you live in. By the way, they have a huge list of countries. Let me know down in the comments for some reason if your country does not appear on there. I would be very surprised. I believe this is practically worldwide. Everybody can start making with the money with just their cell phone with Perfection, you guys. And if not, I want to know about it. So leave that down in the comments. Now, after that, when you're going through the tutorial, you guys, it's very, very important that you give thoughtful feedback, because it's a little test right in the beginning that determines whether you get approved and helps determine how much money and how many jobs you're going to get with Perfection. So there's 3 to 4 steps where they're going to ask you to visit a web page, and they're going to ask you to look at it and provide your thoughtful feedback. Make sure that you're leaving at least like 3 to 4 sentences. Make sure that it's focused, and then you're going to hit submit. So if you know how to take a screenshot on your phone, I'm pretty sure everybody does, you guys. You can do this with just your cell phone. You don't have to be on a desktop computer. If you're on a desktop or a laptop, you can use the snippet tool. Type that into your search and use the snipping tool, save it to your desktop, and then upload it to the web page. Very simple to do. If you don't know how to do that, just Google how do I use the snipping tool on my, you have to be on Windows, by the way. I'm not sure what you would do on a Mac, but you can print screen as well. You can Google how to do that stuff if you don't know how to do it, but it's very, very simple stuff, you guys. So you'll leave your thoughtful feedback, you'll take a screenshot, and you'll submit that. There's like 3 steps, and this will make all the difference in the world. So make sure that you spend some time, and by the way, it won't take too much time. It's like 2 to 3 minutes to do this. It really didn't take that long. It's not difficult, and start earning money with Perfection. Now, I told you guys too, I was gonna provide you a very simple hack, and I'm gonna leave a pop out right up in the corner. It should be popping out here. And if you watch that video in there, I tell you how you can actually just speak and have your grammar corrected and just speak and not even have to type anything, you guys. So if you're on a desktop or a laptop computer and you have a microphone, you can literally do this hands-free, you guys. As long as you know how to work a mouse and click a few buttons, you can start making money with Perfection. Oh, and by the way, if you have a cell phone, all you gotta do on your cell phone, you guys, is hit that microphone and start speaking into your phone. So you don't really even have to type on your phone as well. So check that out. It makes it very, very simple, you guys. Alrighty, my friends, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Get started with Perfection. Be the 1% that actually takes action. Start making some money now, you guys. Take action. That is where it all happens. You have to take action, otherwise you're not going to make any money online. Perfection 100% works, you guys. Absolutely love it. I tried it myself. I've been making money with it. Like I said, though, if you're anything like me and you want to make some serious money online, if you want to create your own business that you can scale through the roof and create your own freedom, quit your job and, fire your boss and really, break free from where you are stuck. And I know exactly what that feels like, you guys. I was stuck for a very long time, and I won't say it again, but it's been like 15 years now that I've been trying so many different things. So don't do what I did. Check out my #1 recommendation directly beneath this video, chadbennettlive.com. I've left that link right there for you. Also, you guys, like I said before, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Click that bell notification, select all, that way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up. Helps to grow my channel, helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. And don't forget to comment as well. Even if you just say make money online, show some love, help grow my channel. I greatly appreciate all your guys' support, and I really want to see you succeed online and make money, because like I said, it's taken me a very long time to make money online. So if I can help you make more money, then then my job is done, and it just really means a lot to me. So that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.